In this video, you learned something incredible. You learned 3.5 reasons why Elon Musk would be interested in buying Twitter. And something very insane happened for the crypto community in general. This is the Twitter stock price that we'll go over in a little bit. But Elon Musk, a few days ago, pretty much 2 days ago, said free speech is essential to a functioning democracy. Do you believe Twitter adheres to this principle? Most people, 70% out of 2 million votes, so that's 1.4 million people, voted no. And this sparked a big conversation for the crypto news community. Will he buy Twitter? A. Will he make a competitive platform, a platform that will compete with Twitter? And will it be good to do that? The first reason why would Elon Musk be interested in acquiring Twitter is actually free speech itself. Twitter is known to have more free speech than YouTube and Facebook, obviously. But there are some issues around it that I do not want to get too deep into because this is not a political channel. But it definitely will help him have his second reason, which is have his own platform. You can see Elon Musk trending pretty much the same way the crypto price has been trending. If you go on Google Trends for the United States past 12 months, check this out. What happened? Every time we have a bullish sentiment, just like we had in the beginning of April last year, March, Elon Musk starts trending. He started trending by 9 to 15th of May. Then he ruined everything with Tesla dumping Bitcoin, saying they cannot accept Bitcoin, basically. We had a massive ice period. And then as soon as Bitcoin started popping again, Elon Musk started trading. And that has been going on in March as well, while Bitcoin is recovering, which is very interesting. And he basically got a few tokens on the map. If we go on CoinMarketCap right now, let's just do that. CoinMarketCap, right? You'll see a few tokens that are only there here because of Elon Musk. You have Dogecoin. You have Dogecoin here at 20 billion market cap. It was at 50. We have Shiba Inu at 15 billion, which might pass Dogecoin soon with the current rate we are at. And then we have Loki, because his dog's name is Loki. He has a Shiba Inu, which has a huge market cap as well. So he needs a platform. He needs a better platform. And then the third reason is basically stock price. We are at the bottom. We have been bottomed out at the $30 area for Twitter stock. And right now we are trying to move above and stay above the 21 EMA to show a potential uptrend. So here are 3.5 reasons why Elon Musk would be interested in buying Twitter. If you want to help the channel out, just slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe. I'm trying to be the biggest crypto YouTuber in the stratosphere. I'm doing more videos than everyone to keep you updated with everything, so subscribe. And also, if you want to get a free Tesla, not from Elon Musk, but from my sponsors at MEXC, check the link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.